Hello students, we have completed up till practice set 9. Now today we are going to see our new operation, that is addition of mixed numbers. We have seen the conversions. Now let us see how to add two mixed numbers. Okay. So first example is here. Suppose add 5 and 1 upon 2 plus 2 and 3 upon 4. Now students, here in textbook already two methods are given to you, method 1 and method 2 on page number 22, textbook page number 22. But I will prefer the method number 2 only, because I had solved that same method for the conversion of mixed number into improper fraction. Same method I told you or I taught you for the conversion of mixed number into improper fraction. So, with that method only we will be solving this example. So, method 2 I will solve, and you have to also solve with the example this method only. Now, see 5 and 1 upon 2. So, this mixed number you have to convert it into the, what you have to convert? Here I will write, you have to convert into the improper fraction. So, for that what is the method? First denominator multiply by integral part plus numerator upon denominator as it is. Okay. This is for this, only this 5 and 1 upon 2. Now, next is the 2 and 3 upon 4. So, for that this plus sign will be as it is. Now, for this fraction, for this mixed number, how to write? Denominator multiplied by integral number plus numerator upon denominator as it is. Okay. Two mixed numbers were there. So, we had to just, I had done first method our, that how to convert mixed number into improper fraction. Okay. Now, solve this. 2 5s are 10, and then 10 plus, I will write now direct answer here. It's, in that before I had taught you in these 3 steps. Now, you can write this simply additions, multiplication and addition is there. So, orally you can do 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 upon 2 plus here also 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, here multiplication and then addition, whatever answer will come you have to add this in that number. So, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11 upon 4. Now, here what happened? 11 and 11 numerators are same, but we cannot add this if the denominators are not same. These two are not like fractions. Like fractions and unlike fractions we had learnt in 5th standard. So, what is meant by like fractions? Like fractions means if the denominators are same, then they are called like fractions. Then that time we can add the numerator directly. But here these two are unlike fractions, means here denominators are not same, but here numerators are same, but still denominators should be same. Then these are the unlike fractions. So, for such an example, how to add these two improper fractions? So, you know cross multiplication method, or you have to do one thing. Here you have to equalize the denominator, means what? Now, see for this 11 upon 2 what is the denominator? 2, and for 11 upon 4 what is the denominator? 4. Now, you have to see 2 and 4, for this 2 and 4, this 2 and 4. Can I make the denominator 4 of both? Yes, because 4 is there in the table of 2, or 4 is the multiple of 2. Yes, 4 is the multiple of 2. Now, multiples, factors, these things you should remember. Multiples means that number it should be there in that table. So, 4 is there in the table of 2. Yes, 2 2s are 4. So, if I multiply here for the first fraction 11 upon 2 by the 2 to the numerator and denominator, what will happen? So, multiplied by 2. If I multiply to the denominator 2, I have to multiply with the same number to the numerator also. Then only value will not change. whatever here I am multiplying to the denominator, with the same number I have to multiply with the numerator, and then plus, as plus sign will be as it is. Then 11 upon 4, second fraction I have taken 11 upon 4. I want here denominator 4 only, no. I want to make equalize this 2 and 4 denominators, I want 4. Equal denominator we are doing. Why we are doing this step? To make the denominator equal. So 4 I have to multiply which number? Simply by 1, because 4 is already there, so 4 ones are 4. So I have to multiply with the numerator and denominator with the 1, and then next step will be there, that is 11 upon 2, now equal to, I am solving this step here, equal to, now 11 2s are 22, yes, 11 2s are 22, so 22 upon 2 2s are 4. See, actually it should come down this step, but here no place is there, so I am solving here. So 11 2s are 22, 2 2s are 4. So 22 upon 4, we got the answer of this, okay. Same way, this plus sign as it is here, 11 ones are 11 upon 4 ones are 4. Now you see, denominators came same, denominators are same. Now if the denominators came same, just add the numerators, that is what, 22 plus 11. So see students, let me write this here. After this you have to continue here, 22 upon 4 plus 11 upon 4. This answer I have written here only. Now as the denominators are same, just write it one time only, 4 as it is, and simply add the numerator, that is 22 plus 11. Add this, 22 plus 11, 33 upon 4. So this is the what? This answer came in, your numerator is bigger or numerator is greater, that means it is improper fraction. Here numerator is greater than denominator, that means it is improper fraction. You can convert this again if you want this answer into mixed number only, then if improper fraction is there, so you can convert it into mixed number again. So how to convert? So 33 upon 4 means what? 33 divided by 4. So what answer will come? 33 divided by 4. 4 8s are 32. 33 minus 32, 1. So how to write this? Quotient denominator upon divisor. How to convert improper fraction into mixed number? How to convert improper fraction into mixed number? This I had told you in my previous video. So answer, if you want this answer into mixed number, this will come 8 and 1 upon 4. Okay. So you have to write this example in a simple way, like this way, means this all the steps should come here down. Below this all the steps must come. Means this, see again I will explain this example. 5 and 1 upon 2 plus 2 and 3 upon 4. So what I have done? I had converted this into improper fraction. For that, 2 into 5 plus 1 upon 2 plus 4 into 2 plus 3 upon 4. Solve it. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11 upon 2 as it is, plus 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 upon 4 as it is. Then now we want to make the denominators equal. So what I have done, already 4 is there in the table of 2. So I just multiply this first fraction, 2 fractions came. So just first fraction I have multiplied with the numerator and denominator with the 2, and for the second fraction I have multiplied with the 1. Every time these numbers will be different. It will depend on the how to make the denominators equalize you have to make. So for that purpose. Now here 11 2s are 22, 2 2s are 4, 11 1s are 11, 4 1s are 4, and then if the denominators are same, then only you can add the numerators. So if we add the numerators, answer came 33 upon 4. Again this improper fraction I have converted into mixed number. So answer came 8 and 1/4. Okay. So this is all about how to add the two mixed numbers. We will take more examples of this.